Agatha Christie is one of history's most well-known mystery writers. Her collection of works includes 75 novels, 165 short stories, 16 plays, 2 autobiographies, and even 3 poems. Her stories are still being read today, and a few of her novels have even been turned into films. However, in December of 1926, Agatha's greatest mystery occurred that has still not been solved to this day: her own disappearance. August 1926, the divorce request. Agatha Christie's husband, Archie Christie, asked the famed novelist for a divorce. The request was made with the revelation that Archie has been having an affair with Nancy Neal, his 25-year-old secretary. December 3, 1926, Archie and Agatha fight. The Christies were noted to have fought the morning of December 3, 1926. Their argument was regarding Archie's plan to go away for the weekend with his friends and his mistress, Nancy. Later that day, Agatha left their daughter with the maid and disappeared from their home in Sunningdale. December 4, 1926, Agatha's car found. The day after her disappearance, Christie's car was found by police near Newlands Corner. It was thought to be the result of a car accident. The car's headlights were on, but Agatha was nowhere to be found. December 5, 1926, Agatha Christie reported missing. The day after her car was found, Agatha was finally reported missing. December 7, 1926, Agatha's letter. 2 days after the author was reported missing, it came to light that Archie's brother had received a letter from Agatha. She wrote that she was going away for the weekend and that she was feeling rather queer. Newspapers offer money. One newspaper offered a reward of £100 to anyone with information that led to locating Christie. That reward money is the equivalent of £6,000 or $8,137 in today's money. Search efforts. Over 1,000 police officers, 15,000 volunteers, and numerous airplanes searched the rural area looking for Agatha Christie near her car. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. The Sherlock Holmes author visited a spirit medium and gave her one of Christie's gloves, in hopes that the medium would be able to locate Agatha. December 14, 1926, Agatha found. Christie was finally found staying at the Swan Hydropathic Hotel in Yorkshire. The hotel was 184 miles north of her home in Sunningdale. She was found using a fake name, the surname of which was Neal, that of her husband's mistress. Theories. While there are no actual answers, many have presented various theories. They thought that she had a genuine loss of her memory, that her disappearance was during a fugue state, it was an attempt to embarrass her husband and her husband's mistress, that she had a nervous breakdown, or even that it was just a publicity stunt. What do you think caused Agatha Christie's disappearance?